Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of my channel. In this video, I want to make the easiest crochet pattern with only one row. For this pattern, I used Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5mm hook. You can use this pattern for any project such as baby blankets, project or shawls. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then make a multiple of 4 chains plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat the groups of 4 chains until reach the desired width for the pattern, and at the end add 1 chain. I made 37 chains, and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chain, and go to 6th chain from the hook here, and make 2 double crochet into that, 1 and 2. Then make a chain, and then go to next chain and make 2 double crochet into that, 1 and 2. Then skip next 2 chains and go to the next and make 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2. Make a chain and make 2 double crochet into next chain, 1 and 2. Again, skip 1 and 2 chain and make 2 double into next chain, then make 1 chain and 2 double into next chain, and repeat that work several times. Skip 2 chain, make 2 double into the next, make a chain, and without skipping, make 2 double into the next. Continue until the end. Now I'm at the end and I have 2 chains left after last group. Skip the next and make 1 double crochet into last chain. And row 1 is finished. At the beginning of row 2, make 3 chain as first double crochet and turn the work. Each group has 2 double, 1 chain and 2 double. We have to skip the first and the last stitch and make stitches around this second and this third stitch and into this chain 1 space, okay? Skip the first and make 1 front post double crochet around the second double crochet, then go to chain 1 space and make 1 double, 1 chain, and again 1 double into same chain space. Then go around next stitch and make 1 front post double crochet and skip the last stitch, and repeat that. Go to next group and skip the first and make 1 front post double crochet around the second, then make 1 double into chain 1 space, 1 chain, and another double crochet into same space, and make 1 front post double crochet around next stitch and skip last stitch, and repeat that work. Skip the next, 1 front post around the second, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into chain 1 space, and 1 front post around the third stitch of this group and skip the last stitch. Go to next group and repeat that work. Skip the first stitch, make 1 front post around the second, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet into chain 1 space, and 1 front post double crochet around the third stitch and skip last stitch, and repeat that work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 2, and after last group, make 1 double crochet into beginning chains of previous row, and start row 3 with 3 chain as first double crochet and then turn the work. Again, repeat previous row. Go to first group skip the first stitch and make one front post around the second and one double with a chain and another double into chain one space of previous row and one front post double crochet around the next stitch and skip the last and go to next group and repeat that. Skip the first stitch of that and make one front post around the second, one double, one chain and one double into chain one space and one front post around next stitch and skip the last stitch and go to next group and repeat that work. We have to repeat this work until the end, and at the end, after last group, make one double crochet into third chain of beginning chains of previous row. And this row should be repeated. We have to repeat row 2 several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated that one row several times, and now this is the front view of my pattern and this is the back view. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.